And here we are again for more. It's not really kids with cars anymore since they're all adults.
I'm still a child. What do you mean?
Just mentally. Anyway, we're working on his car. Car speakers and rear middle plastic light fake stuff. First off, we got speakers. They're the same thing. I don't know why you're busting out both boxes.
Because why not?
So we looked up the car before. It's 6.5 all the way around. And I did try and look it up, and it does not appear this car requires any adapters or anything. So we're hoping simply get in the doors.
Sorry for the mess.
Yeah. Take off panels, replace speaker, be done. We'll cover the basics. But the other thing. For Christmas, I went to a junkyard and I got him a new glorious one of these things. Because apparently anytime it would rain, that would fill up. He would open the hatch and it would drench him.
Yep.
So yeah, there's that.
Quick little secondary rainstorm. Right,
and we will, he lives out of his damn car almost. With that said, here is the new spiffy one that my Corolla is holding up oh so generously. Let's, here, hold it. So, see, look. Oh, nice, shiny.
So clean. So pretty.
And with that said, we are going to start somewhere. Well, he's going to start somewhere. I'm just here to guide him. Kind of. Anyway, we're probably going to start, I'm guessing, with the rear tail thing. Get her done. So, yeah, we'll be back when that's mostly dismantled. Let's go.
Hi-ho. Hi-ho.
And what he says, yo, yo. Okay, so just a quick little recap. This plastic decorative piece that covers all the bolts and the lights and the things was mostly held on by these white clips. You see them all. And there's a total of five. Yes. 5 of these clips that you catch here. So you undo those, you use something to get up in there and just pop it out. It's scurry, but it works. After that, we've got a crap ton of bolts scattered around.
Little baby nuts.
All of them are accessible. They're 8mm. And we'll give you a quick rundown over here while he's doing that shit. Let's flip this over real quick. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 nuts. Ha ha ha. And beyond that, the lights and crap are just kind of part of there. You have a wire that's attached to the hatch, plugs in there, plugs in there. And yeah, that's all there is to this. So
I almost dropped a nut in my drink.
Yeah, no, bad idea. With that said, we will be back with this thing back in there. Yay! And here we are. It is on there, looking very clean. My son has some J-Kill playing, so hopefully this video doesn't get monetized or doesn't get, complained about for playing music. One thing I noticed, I just wanted to call attention to it, is these outlets or these plugs for, anyway, they get nasty. Like, this is the brake light and running light. And the reverse light's not so bad, but you look in there, it's crusty. This one, you would have to jiggle the bulb to get the brake light part to work, or even the running light at times. So we took the one that was on his car before, over there. It had the same crust. very nasty. Same problem, have to jiggle it. So we took the driver's side one out of his old, whatever it's called, bulb socket. They're the exact same, just, you know, the wires are bent over the years, so we were able to use that. It was also crusty, just not as crusty, so it works. So yeah. This part's done. Next, we're going to work on door panels. Really, we'll show you one, and then, you know, then we'll do the rest because it's all about the same. If this one up here, I'm going to guess we're going to do driver's side or passenger. If this goes smooth, we're expecting the rest will. But obviously, we will show you if there's problems. Be right back. Here we are. We learned a valuable lesson. 6.5 doesn't always mean 6.5, especially if you ask her versus him. What we learned today is the Rockford Fosgates that we had got him for Christmas. Hey, probably just put it down till you get everything secure.
No,
just
I want to make sure it fits.
Anyway, so the Fosgates were, while only 6.5, went a little wider and too much depth to work with the mount. So we used Crutchfield to find out, and we also went to Best Buy to buy them, so we may have been ripped off a little, but we found some nice kickers to replace the Fosgates. And by replace, I mean I inherited some Fosgates that are probably going to go in Mila / the Corolla that he's standing in front of. And he's going to have some nice kickers that are going to be a shit ton better than the stock speakers. So we learned that. The stock mount has three holes, or 3 things to mount to. And yeah, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to leave him be to work on that. As with anytime I teach a kid something with cars, like him and their other brother, I mostly sit around. I try and minimize how much work I have to do. So yeah, we will be back, and hopefully with a nice review.
That be good, or should I keep going?
Here we are, teaching them how to deal with fire and heat shrink for wiring. So I did assist in removing door panels. The rest is up to him. I've also told him a little bit about wiring, as has his brother.
I'm special.
Hooray!
I don't know who it is.
Sorry, too much?
So he's working on that. We've got front speakers installed. We verified one works. Yep. We will find out a bit later. But yeah, quick little update. We will go back to silence for the next second.
Work week.
And now he quit singing. So, yeah, we've got everything almost put back together. And we have another person joining us in this boredom of a garage. Right? Right. Anyway, assembly, pretty straightforward. We've tested the speakers. The weirdest thing, front speakers had universal style plugs. We didn't have to touch wiring at all. The rear, on the other hand, had just weird plugs. Here, we'll show you. This is what was in the front. See, you see the plug? Use basic wires. Here is the rear. Hey, look. Uses weird shit. These both look like stock style speakers. These were blown. You can't tell, but they're blown. As he abuses his car. Anyway, so weirdest thing, because yeah, it looked like everything was stock in regards to condition. It's all replaced. We just cut the wires, put new universal style wires on. All good, hunky dory. Your opinion of the sound quality?
Oh, so much better.
So
So much better.
you know, and it's always going to be a lot better when you're replacing blown speakers. So, yeah.
Time to go blow them again.
With that said, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
I guess let's fucking lock it.